Here in this video, we will see the concept of acid and base strength. What is the meaning of acid and base strength, students? To know whether a substance is a strong acid or a weak acid, and similarly a strong base or a weak base. Now how you know that? For that exact definition is given. So let us see the first one, that is strong acid. Usually a strong acid will be denoting that by SA. This is strong acid. We need those short forms to understand and dissociate the reactions when we will be going for hydrolysis. So I am using this as strong acid. Now what is a strong acid? An acid or a substance which when dissolved in water, if it dissociates almost completely, so that I will write the definition here. Species or acids that dissociates almost completely. Why I am writing almost completely? Because no substance undergoes 100% dissociation almost completely to give maximum number of H plus ions. Maximum number of H plus ions in its aqueous solution. What is the meaning of aqueous solution, students? If I dissolve the substance in water and it is giving maximum number of H plus ions, then I will classify that as a strong acid. Examples here can be HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. You have to remember those acids. This is very important. Then you have HI. They all are strong acids. Then what will be a weak acid? Definition will almost remain same. Now weak acid, I will denote this by WA. So acids that dissociate to a lesser extent to give less number of H plus ions in its aqueous solution. So this is what is a weak acid. What is a strong acid, students? It will give you maximum number of H plus. And what is a weak acid? It will give you less number of H plus ions when they are dissolved in water. Now let us see the examples here. For a weak acid, the best example what we have is acetic acid, formic acid. You have HF, which is again a weak acid. You have nitrous acid, that is HNO2. So most of your organic acids what you have, they are weak acids. I can have here carbonic acid, H2S. So they all are weak acids. Now on the same base, let us see what is a strong base. How I will write this strong base is SB. Now what will be the definition? Bases that dissociate almost completely to give maximum number of OH minus ions in its aqueous solution, they are called as strong bases. Now what can be the examples here, student? Examples can be NaOH, KOH, CSOH. They all are the examples of strong acids. Very easy questions. So just comment me whether out of the three examples what I have written, that is NaOH, KOH and cesium hydroxide, please comment in the comment box which is the stronger acid among the three. Which is the strongest base among the three. Let us see the next one, that is a weak base. Weak base, I will write it as WB. So what will be the definition here, student? Bases that dissociates to a lesser extent to give less number of OH minus ions in their aqueous solutions. So definition is nearly same to that of acids. So what can be the examples here? You can have copper hydroxide here. You can have FeOH twice, FeOH thrice. You can have aluminium hydroxide. You can have magnesium hydroxide. So they all are the examples of weak bases. So this is how we classify a substance as a strong acid or a strong base. Let us revise now what is a strong acid and examples you must remember. What is a strong acid, student? Strong acid is a substance that dissociates almost completely in its aqueous solution to give maximum number of H plus ions. Examples, they are HCl, HNO3, then you have sulfuric acid and hydrogen iodide or iodic acid, that is HI. Then what is a weak acid? Substance that dissociates to a lesser extent, giving less number of H plus ions when dissolved in its water solution or aqueous solution. Examples, they all are your organic acids like acetic acid, formic acid, HF, nitrous acid, carbonic acid, hydrogen sulfide. They all are the examples of weak acids. On the same base, I will classify strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases will give you maximum number of OH minus ions in their aqueous solutions. Examples are KOH, NaOH and cesium hydroxide. While weak base will give you less number of OH minus ions. Examples are all your D block elements what you have. All the oxides, they will be under the weak bases, including aluminium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. So they all are weak bases. Thank you, students.